Buonasera and welcome to Lisa's Italian Kitchen. Tonight I'm making for you a classic, Chicken Vesuvio, very popular in Italian American homes. 3 ingredients, 3 steps. We have beautifully browned chicken breasts, browned in butter and olive oil, roasted red potatoes with garlic, and marinated artichokes. So here I have my pan where I browned my chicken breasts, and now what I'm going to do is add 1 cup of vegetable broth and 1 cup of white wine. With this, we're just going to reduce it for a few minutes until the sauce gets a little thicker. And while that reduces, what we're going to do over here is take the casserole in which I put my browned chicken breasts. We're going to add the roasted potatoes just around the chicken breasts and the beautiful roasted cloves of garlic. Oh, doesn't that look delicious? Well, so we'll add all the potatoes. Red potatoes are a delicate potato, so they go very, very nicely with this dish. Now let's arrange those potatoes around the chicken breast. You can make this for 4 people, 6 people, 8 people. So easy to adapt. Now we're going to top this with our beautiful marinated artichokes. I like a lot of artichokes. So I'm very generous with the artichoke hearts. Look at that. How beautiful. On top of this, we're going to put our wonderful sauce that's reducing right now, the vegetable broth and the white wine. And of course, it has all the delicious brown pieces from the browning of the chicken breast. So to this sauce now, I'm going to add some Italian thyme, dried Italian thyme from Italy, and some Italian oregano. Delicious. We'll stir that up. We're going to pour this over the top and bake at 350 for 20 minutes. Now remember, your chicken, your potatoes, they're fully cooked already. So 3 steps, then put them all together in 1 casserole, bake, and you're good to go. A wonderful, simple, delicious weeknight dinner. Eccolo.